Fine. 550 it is. But I just want you to know that this is wrong, Tony. And it wasn't so long ago that... What? Hello? Tony? Tony?
What is going down, world? Welcome to the 40-year-old FUQ Boys podcast. I go by the name Black Pegasus, and today I'm checking out Sound of Madness by Shinedown. Dude, Shinedown has surprised me. The first song I heard was Simple Man, and I didn't even realize that was a cover of Lynyrd Skynyrd. I didn't know that. And so I've since then reacted to Lynyrd Skynyrd, listened to them. But they had a joint, Monsters, that was just really in-depth and meaningful. But my favorite song of theirs is Cut the Cord. Did a reaction. If you guys want to check that out, show love. If not, it's all gravy. But I really like these guys. But Cut the Cord did it for me. It got me like, I feel like he was shaking me personally, like craziness. Anyways, today we're checking out Sound of Madness, which is interesting. Reminds me of like this Stir of Echoes, you know, these just the title Sound of Madness makes me think of, the inner voices in your head of doubt and disbelief and stuff like that. So we'll see where this goes. If you guys are here for it, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's get it started.
40-year-old boys are back in town. 40. Boys are back in town. 40-year-old boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. 40-year-old FUQ Boys podcast. Malt liquor for your ears. 40.
All right, let's do this. Get the logo down, pull the video up. Don't forget to support the original content on the channel. I'm a hip-hop artist, so I put out music videos, but I also have another channel, Pegasus vs. the World. Over there, I react to comedy, trending topics, travel, and I take on challenges. So if you guys want to support that channel as I build it up, I'd appreciate it. But all the music and the reactions are right here. If you want access to the reactions early, we do have a membership with a back catalog of a gang of reactions that have not been released. So, we got a membership. No obligation. And thank you to our members, man, holding us down for so long. Your support means so much, okay? And that's real. All right, let's get into this. Shinedown, Sound of Madness, Sound of the Madman. Oh, so it's just this homie talking, actually, on the phone. So let's just keep going. Dude hung up on him. Okay, he's got long hair again in this one. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, I get it, you're an outcast. Always under attack, always coming in last. Bringing up the past, no one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass. So paranoid, watch your back. Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon gone. Bipolar, slip down, couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor. I'm still laughing like hell. You think that my crime to me, looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected by social disease. Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the dawn when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself.
Yo, the messaging in this is freaking crazy, and I am here for this. Like, what he's saying, it has mad depth. Like, the first part reminds me of victim mentality and feeling down on yourself and just being like, blah, 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 when you need to get up and keep things moving. But he's talking about, like I was saying, the Stir of Echoes, this Sound of Madness. Yeah. But the other thing is he's also mentioning how he's getting through these things. Hold on. My family's out of town, and I think they're let me just. Hello. Hey. Hello. You're on video right now. I'm recording. Do you want me to call you back? I wasn't sure if you were calling with Alinea. Hi, boo boo. Hey, baby. Hi, Brightly. Say hello to my little beautiful little baby, y'all. Anyways, I'll call you right back. I'm checking out this group called Shinedown. All right? All right, I'll holler. Bye-bye. Love you. All right. I'm back and I'm back of the act. Yeah. So there's all this stuff going down in this video. And sorry, I had to answer that though, because my family's out of town visiting our other side of the family. They're out of state and just want to make sure everything's, they're important. I don't answer phone calls normally when I'm recording, but they get priority. But this Sound of Madness, there's so much depth to this and what he's saying. And there's also hints of being like, I'm still standing. After all of these thoughts, out of all of this pain, after all that I've been through, I'm still standing to explain. Bro, let's see where this goes.
I'm so sick of this tombstone mentality. If there's an afterlife, then it'll set you free. But I'm not gonna pop the seas. You're a self-fulfilling prophecy. You think that I cried to me, looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected by social disease. Well then take your medicine. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up, when you gotta wake up and fight. I created the sound of madness, wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the gun when you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight for yourself. When you gotta wake up and fight
This is crazy. This song is so good.
for yourself.
God. I still like Cut the Cord better, but this is a godsend. This song, you've been infected by a social disease. There is so many layers and so much depth to this. And at the end, just saying, when the hell are you going to get up and fight or wake up and fight and fight the sound of madness in your head? Shinedown. Sound of Madness. Just as deep as the title. Right when I saw that, I was like, what's this? Sound of Madness? Stir of Echoes. And I don't even know where Stir of Echoes is. I'm just thinking of, those little voices whispering like you're not good enough. You're too skinny. You have freckles. You know what I'm saying? That was refreshing. Thank you, Shinedown. Thank you guys for joining me. I needed that. That was great. Playlist material, absolutely. 40.
Thank you for being some man. 40 years down the road, back again. FUQ.